the WOKV Holiday Payroll Payout now through December 11 on 104.5 WOKV.
If you haven't tried Super Beets Soft Chews, you are missing out. Super Beets Soft Chews combine non-GMO beets with a powerful new ingredient. It's called grapeseed extract. Now, the grapeseed extract used in Super Beets Chews clinically shown to be 2 times as effective at supporting normal blood pressure than as a healthy lifestyle alone. Now, Super Beets Chews promotes heart healthy energy the way nature intended it to be, without caffeine or stimulants. Now you can take just 2 delicious chews a day. Take it anytime, anywhere. You won't find blood pressure and energy support that tastes this good anywhere, and it's so convenient. And now you can get a free 30-day supply of Super Beets Chews, plus a 30-day supply of vitamin D3 Chews for immune health support in your first purchase just by going to Bryant'sBeets.com. Think about that. That's 2 free bonus gifts valued at over $50, only available at Bryant'sBeets.com. That's Bryant'sBeets.com. You got the vitamin D3 Chews for immune health, and of course the energy and heart health you need with Super Beets Chews. Go to Bryant'sBeets.com. That's Bryant'sBeets.com.
Meeting new people, going on dates? I was way out of practice. Silver Singles made it easy for me to get back into dating, and it felt just right.
Rediscover the magic of dating with Silver Singles, the exclusive community for singles over 50.
Signing up was easy. I told them a little about me, my interests, and I started getting matches right away.
At Silver Singles, you receive daily matches you won't want to miss. Start your search today at silversingles.com/radio. silversingles.com/radio.
Sales are rising quickly, but without another lead baker, Dale's Bakery is going to feel the heat.
Hey, you're baking alone today. I have to handle this order for the restaurant down the street.
Cool, but who's going to handle the pastries?
He needs to hire.
I need Indeed.
Indeed you do. The moment you sponsor a job on Indeed, you get a short list of quality candidates from our resume database. Indeed delivers 2.5 times more hires than the other branded job sites combined, according to Breezy HR 2019. Visit Indeed.com/credit and get a $75 credit for your first job post. Terms and conditions apply.
Hey, it's Marquet from the Marquet Show for OpenDoor.com, and your home is probably your biggest asset. And what you need to do is know every